Hey everybody, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome guys. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a very great and traditional way of losing weight. Like a traditional way in which has been used in centuries, also to eradicate all of those stuff in your body, like flushing out toxins and all of that. Okay, and you are gonna be really healthy, and you are gonna begin to have that figure 8 guys. Okay guys, so if you want to know all of the ingredients, stay put and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video. And now let me take you right into the video guys. So for a traditional way of removing your belly fat, okay, you're gonna be needing pineapple. Now pineapple is one remedy that actually helps so much in flushing out fluid from your body. As a result, it helps to remove belly fats. With the combination of other ingredients that I'm gonna be using, is gonna be really helpful. So the first thing we're going to do now is that we're gonna be moving the head. So you have to make sure that your pineapple is half ripe. Okay, it's actually not full ripe. Don't buy pineapple that is fully ripe. Let it be half ripe so that the slappiness will be increased. Now after thorough washing, we'll have to cut it into 2 because we don't need so much of it guys. Okay, but if you're actually making to keep, like to store, you can actually use all of them. Now if you can just reach out for an unripe pineapple, which is actually very good. Okay, unripe pineapple will actually make this treatment work really well. Okay, now what we do is that we cut it. So you grab a pot. Now since your pineapple has to be unripe, then we'll have to cook it. So you grab a pot and then you put in the pineapple, and in some cases you can also put the peel, like very close to the peel of this pineapple, so invariably you're not actually wasting too much of it. So this is it. Now I have to keep that aside, and the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is going to be ginger. Now ginger is a great remedy that helps so much for the body. It helps to flush out toxins, it helps for cold, catarrh, cough, and mixing it up with unripe pineapple is gonna be really great. It's actually a traditional way of losing weight. Okay, so after that, then you have to peel it. So after peeling this, then would have to be cutting it. Okay, now the reason why you have to cut your ginger in a very small pieces is just so that it's gonna be induced into the pot while you cook. So don't just put just the whole of the ginger. Make sure you cut it in bits, just like this. Yeah. Now the next ingredient, which is very important, is lemon. Okay guys, so this is our local lemon. It's actually usually green most of the time. I rarely get to see a lemon that is actually like the lemon color around in our local market. So this is our lemon. It is not lime, okay? Because I know some of you guys will be like, is that lime? No, it's not lime, it's lemon. Okay, now lemon is great. It flushes out toxins. It helps for the skin. It helps to remove belly fat and flush out stubborn fat cells, yeah, by dissolving it. Now putting it into this ingredient will work really well. So at first, what I'm gonna do is to wash and sanitize it. And then I'll cut. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be cutting in half of a lemon into this mix, into this pot. Yeah, so I'll just cut it in little pieces. So you're actually putting in plus the lemon zest into this. Yeah, so the lemon zest is gonna be very effective. So you have to wash it and then you cut everything inside. Now to make this ingredient very effective, you're definitely gonna be needing turmeric powder. Yeah, now a pinch of turmeric powder helps so much for the body. Now if you're always taking turmeric tea or turmeric juice, you're actually not going to grow fat. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so this actually helps so much for the body. Now putting it into this remedy would work so well in removing all of your fat. So just a pinch of it, look at that, just a pinch, just a little pinch of that is okay. Don't put too much, just a little pinch. So after that, then you put in 1 or 2 glasses of water. Yeah, so I'm actually gonna be putting in 2 glasses of water, and now we would have to cook. Okay, so I never to watch this video to the end because there's one more ingredient that is actually very important for this great remedy. So now would I have to cook this? So you're gonna be cooking this for at least 3 to 5 minutes, and that's when you know that all of it is actually induced together, and then when you drink the juice, you're drinking all of the full benefits, and this is gonna be really great for you. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be showing you the next ingredient to use here. Okay, so this is it, and it's been boiling for about 5 minutes, and I just off the fire. And what you're gonna do is that you're gonna drink this warm, very warm, and this is the color. The color is actually very great. Yeah. Okay, so the other ingredient that you're gonna be using is honey. I have a little honey here, and this is actually optional. You can actually drink this way, which is gonna be very helpful, and it's too full. Yeah, okay, you can drink it this way. Now this drink helps so much for belly fat and general body weight. Now I'll have to be putting in the honey. Okay, so you drink this in the morning and in the evening. It is actually a very friendly drink, yeah, and it smells really great and it tastes really nice. Okay, so flush out all of those belly fats in your body, and this is the remnants. This is the remnants of it, and you can store it. Yeah, extract all of the juice and just store it like that. So when you want to take it, you can actually recook it. When you cook it for 3 times, all of the ingredients or benefits is actually gone. So the remaining thing is for you to throw it away. Yeah, and then you cook another one. So do this and you're gonna be loving it. And also reduce the intake of all of those your fatty food, carbohydrate. Too much of it is not good anyways. So try this and you're gonna love it. So that's it, guys. It's actually a very simple traditional way of losing weight, and this is actually very effective, and it is also very simple. Yeah, if you can grab all of the ingredients, this is as simple as ABC, compared to all of those things that you were going to buy and all of that stuff. Okay, so if you do love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video, and I'll see you again. Bye guys.